This is Candace here, and I'm coming at you today with a CVS haul. So I know that I usually go to Dollar Tree on Sundays. Well, it has been a while, but I usually go to Dollar Tree on Sundays. But I need to get some things that I had coupons for at CVS. So that's why I went to CVS. And I got all of this, guys. All of that was dun, dun, dun. Drum roll, please. All of that was $38.09. Let me show you right here. Can you see that? Right there. $38.09, and before it was $36.70. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11 items. And I think that was awesome. So let me explain to you some of the coupons that I had. I had a spend $40 on any household items and take $10 off. So all of the cleaning supplies right there, they were right there. All the cleaning supplies minus my vitamins were $40, and then they took $10 off. I said I took $10 off. So I have the bleach. This was $5.99. You know what I forgot now that I grabbed the bleach? But let me see. Oh, the Lysol has bleach. I wanted to get like a spray bottle and put like water and bleach inside. So I have to do like a massive clean. And I want to do laundry tomorrow. So I bought the Tide Simply with Oxy. I mean, I like that stuff. I'm not trying to... I bought whatever's on sale, basically. So how much was the Tide Simply? It was $2.30. Oh no, they were $3.94. The Scott tissue for 12 rolls, it was $7.99. The Lysol was $3.49, but it was buy one get one free. So 2 of these for $3.50. You can't beat it with a bat. The Lysol. So this flavor is the, oh my god, lemon breeze. I don't know, I'm going through this thing now. I love lemon. Do you hear my kids upstairs? Excuse the noise. My kids are screaming. There's 4 children upstairs, but it sounds like 10, 12. I went to the supermarket after I went to CVS. And I bought some cream de coco. And I bought some pineapples. And I have some Jack Daniel's honey in the fridge. So y'all know it's about to go down. I'm trying to think. I'm gonna clean up. Should I? Do y'all want to see that? Yeah, I'll do a clean with Candace. Ooh, that's a treat because I'm making corn soup. So I'll do a cook with Candace too. Okay, so I forgot, where was I? Oh, the bleach, and then the Tide, and then the Lysol. And guys, This is what I bought. These were $5.49. These are the wipes, and how many come here in here? $75. So I have 150 wipes. So these were $5.50. Then I have DC. So I'm trying to step my vitamin game up because I have multiple sclerosis and and I'm reading Terry Wall's book, and she talks about taking vitamins and stuff like that. Plus, my doctor had prescribed me vitamin D. So these are vitamin D. It says it's for bone and health. So I have these. So I'm really happy with my purchase, guys. Let me show you my receipts. It says top coupons applied. See, coupons applied. You see the $10. This one says $10 or $40. Then I have a $4 or $15 vitamins. These were $4. These were $15. So these are $15, and I got $4 off, bringing them to $11. Then I had another $5 off of vitamins. So I paid $6 for this, and $300 comes in here. So I'll have that for a few months. And then it says $8. I showed y'all the extra care book that came off. Yeah, so my total, it says here that my savings value is 54%. It says it down here. Right there. Y'all not gonna see this backwards. It says 54% and I saved $42.39. Oh. It's time for it to be focusing and things like that. So I'm so happy with my purchase. So I'm gonna take a little breather. I'm gonna just relax. Oh, so so what I did was when I went into CVS, I went and I bought some gummy bears, thinking that this coupon would have printed out first, but it didn't. I wanted this coupon right here. You see, it's $8 off of $60 purchase. So I would have gotten the milk, the corn. I would have gotten everything from here. Everything that I need. Would have gotten a creme de coco. I would have gotten everything. Well, except for the potatoes. I would have gotten. But yeah, so when you get your receipt, after you go to the red box, when you go to the red box, you have receipts. And then when you cash out, you have receipts. So I have the $8 off of $60 off your next purchase. So my next purchase is going to be $60 before coupons and before sales and stuff like that. Then I have another $4 off of 15 vitamins. So I'm going to read the book some more because there's a whole host of vitamins that need to be taken daily. I have a $3 off of Vicks. I have a $3 off of $12 Aveeno body wash. $2 off of Dial Men body wash. $3 off of 2 Aveeno vanilla oat body wash. $2 off of Dial white bar soap 3-pack. Then I have $2 off $10 Reese's Kit Kat or Kisses, and I have $1 off of $4 Kellogg's cereal in the bar. So I think that was really, really successful. So I'm going to You guys want to see my grocery haul? I just bought stuff because I seen another YouTuber, another vegan YouTuber, and she had made corn chowder. So that's what my mouth is watering for, some corn chowder. So after, cause being that it's not with meat or anything, it's gonna be like 1, 2, 3. So I'm wondering if I should start to cook that, and then so I'm gonna throw that in. No, I'll clean. It's decisions. I would say cook first, then clean. Me. I should cook first, then clean, then shower, then eat, then... Oh, I have too much to do today. I have to do my daughter's hair. Just the thought of it. Oh my God, it's just a lot. Today has been a crazy, crazy day. And not crazy, like, it's just that my kids didn't listen. And I just have so much to do. Then the baby was up all night with pink eye. It's cold as heck in my house. And this is one of my signature. This is one of my things, excuse me. Oh my God, every time I start recording, I yawn. So this is my signature mommy outfit. This is one of the sweatsuits. So I think I'm gonna eat some of these. Let me see, does it have it? Oh. It contains milk and soy. Why? Why? Okay, guys, so that concludes my CVS haul. I look so crazy with that in my head. That concludes my CVS haul. And thanks for watching. Have a nice Sunday, and make sure y'all go out and get some of those deals. And before you go to CVS, remember, you always supposed to check the red box. Always check the red box. Get your CVS card. They mail you mailers. Yeah. So, keep that in mind. Thanks for watching. Bye.